Welcome back to another episode of Howell Farms. Today, guys, we're going to go hunting again. Kind of cramped for time. It's already 3 o'clock, so we're a little late getting out to the stand, but that's okay. I didn't want to give up the prime opportunity to go hunting, so let's get after it. Alright guys, now we're back in the woods. Let's get over here to this little shooting house. Get in it. We'll go from there. Here it is. It's not easy bringing cameras along. I'm starting to find that out, that this filming your own hunt stuff is kind of hard to do. But today we're shooting the old 444 again. We're gonna try to get us a deer this year with it. I really want to shoot one with my 410, but I'm gonna try my hand with this one first. I've borrowed this gun for 2 years now. Never actually killed a deer with it. Never actually had to shoot it at a deer, or had the opportunity to, so we're gonna try to get one tonight with it. May or may not. But I'm bringing y'all along on all these hunts, and I'm probably gonna post all these hunts even if I don't kill anything, because there's a lot of the time that I spend hunting, I don't get a chance to shoot anything, so it's a fun opportunity for me to get better at the filming and just bringing y'all along. Let y'all see the ins and outs of hunting, because you get to see all these big stars on TV and the big stars on YouTube. They hunt and kill stuff, but man, they put hours upon hours upon hours in the shooting house or in the stand and don't see deer. So I wanted to show you all the whole aspect of it. It's not always about just killing deer. About sitting out here relaxing, spending time in thought with God, praying, and just kind of getting a little stress relief. Stepping away from the world and all the craziness. So that's why I enjoy hunting so much. But today we're going to use the phone as a secondary camera. The other day when I shot that video, the last hunting video, you didn't even see any secondary footage. I had an old Canon camera with me. It didn't put out the quality that I wanted. So today we're going to use my iPhone 12 Pro. That'd be a better secondary shot. So, wish us luck. Built this box stand a few months ago. This is an old wood fence that I took down at somebody's house.
swing I had on my front porch. So this was a 100% free shooting house. I like to repurpose stuff. Why go out and spend a bunch of money when you can do it yourself and you got it in the yard and you got all the materials and tools to do it? So we built it. Well, we built it. My wife helped me a little bit. I did most of it. Built it in the backyard. I'll attach some pictures of me building it. I think I have a couple of them. Built it standing in the backyard. Disassembled it. Put it on a trailer. Brought it over here. And had a gentleman come out here and help me reassemble it. So, just a little backstory on it. I plan on hunting this shooting house after work a good bit this year. There's another shooting house over there with a deer feeder. And this is kind of on a hill where they cross through to get to that shooting house. So, we're going to try to catch them going over there. Last year we had a good bit of deer on camera back here. But we didn't have anything to hunt back here. I did sit the ground a couple of times, but I never saw anything. So, that's just a little backstory on the shooting house.
Well, there you have it, guys. It's the second hunt in the books. We didn't see anything, but that's how it goes. Again, that's why it's called hunting. So I got somewhere to be, so we kind of got out a little early, but you know, life goes on. Until next time, I'll see you in the woods.